I can guarantee once you start tracking, you're gonna realize, man, either you haven't been eating enough or you've been eating way too much. I'm trying to tell you, real talk. You ever feel stuck because you don't know how many calories you're supposed to get, how much protein you're supposed to get? You just don't know where to start. Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly where to start, give you an easy step-by-step way to determine how many calories you need and how much protein you need. I have a lot of videos on my channel that show you easy ways to get protein. I can get you to 200 grams, I can get you to 250 grams. However much you need, that's on you. It doesn't matter if you don't know how much protein you're supposed to get for your own body, for your own health, for your own goals. So check out these tips. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you out. Now, the reason why I wanted to make this video, because I remember being at that point where I didn't know exactly how many calories I should get. How many calories should I get? How much protein am I gonna get? I don't know. I didn't know. So I would look around, I would ask around. I did a lot of research. I've been doing this for a long time. I'm here to show you exactly how to do it. First up, what you have to do, you have to Google TDEE, okay? Google TDEE calculator. Now what that's gonna do is take you to a website and it's free, all right? That's the best part about it too, it's free. Google TDEE, and what it's gonna do is take you to a website where you're gonna enter in height, your weight, your age, and your activity level. Now don't lie on the activity level now, you gotta tell us the truth, okay? So put this information in, and what this is gonna do is give you the baseline of your average calories that you burn throughout the day, okay? So for example, if you burn 2,500 calories a day just by your current lifestyle, then in order to lose weight, what you're gonna need to do is subtract 250 to 500 calories a day. That's gonna add up over the weeks. This is how you lose weight. There's no way around it. You can work out as much as you want, you can do cardio all day long, but you can't out-train a bad diet. I cannot be more serious about that, okay? You cannot out-train a bad diet. You have to track your food, you have to know where you stand, and you can't just go and run 10 miles a day and think that's gonna help out everything, all right? So let's determine where we're at. I'm gonna use the 2,500 just because it's easy, okay? Now, if your daily total calories is 2,500 just by living, just by breathing and doing your average stuff, then what we're gonna do is start tracking our food, all right? Go download MyFitnessPal. It is a free app you put on your phone, so easy. I want you to start tracking your food, track everything you eat. If you have a handful of a snack, you better track it, all right? Start weighing out your food. Get a scale, put a scale in the kitchen now, get some measuring cups. That's what every kitchen should have. If you're serious about losing weight or gaining muscle, then you need to get a scale, you need to get some measuring cups, and you need to hold yourself accountable. There's no way around it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna start measuring our food, measure out all your chicken, all your beef, weigh it out, measure out all your pastas, everything, all your snacks. All you gotta do is take all this information, put it into MyFitnessPal, track for a few days, see where you're at. You'll see a lot of times you weren't eating as healthy as you thought you were. Come on now, I'm trying to tell you, you thought those salads were healthy? Come on. So let's determine our protein needs. So how much protein do you need? The easy rule of thumb that I use personally is I determine the weight that I want to be at. So if my goal weight is 150 pounds, if I want to get down to 150 pounds, that's how much protein I get in grams. So if I want to get to 150 pounds, if that's my goal, I will shoot for 150 grams of protein a day. Okay, if you want to get to 180 pounds, then your goal should be 180 grams of protein a day. Man, that's a lot. I know it's a lot, but don't worry, I got your back. Go watch my other videos. I show you how to do this. I show you how to get to 150 grams of protein by lunch. All right, I got you covered. I got your back. Don't worry about that. This is just to show you exactly where to start, okay? So first of all, start with your protein, all right? So I like to use my target body weight. So this is an easy way to start. First of all, you know how many calories you're burning in a day. Now you know how much protein you're gonna get. Now you start entering in all this information in MyFitnessPal and it will track it for you. There's so many different foods in there. As long as you take the time to track it, you will see exactly where you're at, all right? There's no way around it. You have to track what you're eating. If you really want to make some progress, you have to start holding yourself accountable. And the reason why I push protein so much is because when you are eating more protein, it keeps you full longer. It helps you gain muscle. It helps you maintain muscle too. If you're on a fat loss diet, your protein is what's going to help you maintain your muscle. You don't want to lose all that hard work that you've done in the gym or at the house, at the home gym, wherever you're at, trying to build your muscle, and then you go on a weight loss journey and you just stop eating everything because you think that's the best way to lose weight. In my opinion, not the best way. So follow these steps. We want to be getting our protein. Now, with the fats, it matters what kind of diet you're going to run. If you're going to run a keto diet, your fats are going to be a little bit higher. Some people take the fats really high. Some people don't. Some people keep them moderate. The carbs, you can just fill in everything else with the carbs. So when you're tracking everything, you'll see once you hit your protein goals for the day, then you'll know where you stand. So that's why you need to track it. That's why tracking your food is so important. And I highly recommend you track your food, because once you start, I can guarantee, once you start tracking, you're going to realize, man, either you haven't been eating enough or you've been eating way too much. I'm trying to tell you, real talk. And try to keep it as simple as possible. All right, don't stress out too much about it. If you don't hit your protein goal for the day, if your goal was to get 150 grams and you only got 120, don't stress about it. It's all right. There's always tomorrow, right? Just try to get some more tomorrow. It's no big deal. Follow my videos. Go watch some of my videos. I'll show you how to hit them protein goals with the quickness. I'm trying to tell you, real talk. Don't stress about it. It's okay. Don't worry about it. This is a long time journey. It is not something that's going to happen in a week. You need to hold yourself accountable and be patient. You need to give yourself some time. It is going to take a little while. All right, don't let nobody tell you it's gonna happen quick. Somebody tells you that, they're lying to you, because it ain't gonna happen quick, and it's gonna take hard work, okay? It's gonna take hard work, but you can do it. You hold yourself accountable and you can do it. And when you do it, you're gonna be the person that everybody comes to. What did you do? How did you do it? What's your secret? Ain't no secret. I just track what I ate. I just watch what I ate and I exercise a little bit more. That's it. There's no secret. There's no way around it, okay? Hold yourself accountable. Help others. Whenever you get to where you want to be, you need to go help others do the same. All right. We all want to be happy with that person that we see in the mirror. I do, you do, we all do. We all have to look at that person. And remember, the mirror doesn't lie. They know your excuses. They know why you didn't work out today. They know why you ate like that today. They know the other options you could have made. You have to hold yourself accountable. Make the best decision possible at every single meal, and it will definitely add up. Those small steps are going to add up. That's how you build your habits. That's how you build your discipline. Do it over and over again. That's how you build your consistency. And then it becomes a lifestyle. You don't even have to think about it anymore. You're not going to have to track your food for the rest of your life. If you want to, go ahead. Nothing wrong with that. But you don't have to track your food for the rest of your life. Eventually, it just becomes a lifestyle. This is just how you eat. If you're disciplined, most of the time, you can go out and have pizza. You can go out and have wings. You can go out and live your life. Not a problem. You have to live a little. That's fine. Just don't live a lot every single day. Unhealthy way. So just a little recap. Just start with your TDEE. So simple, and it's free. You can't beat it. Google that. Find out where you need to start at. Find out your maintenance calories, and then subtract from there or add from there if you're trying to gain weight. Not a problem. Whichever way you're trying to go, start there, determine where you're supposed to be, and then go download MyFitnessPal. Everybody has a phone. Put it on your phone. Track everything you eat. It's all in there. I'm trying to tell you, it's all in there. I've been using MyFitnessPal for years, and everything is in there. Track everything you eat. Next, determine the weight you want to get to. Whatever that weight is, we are all different. Determine that weight and go hit that joker in protein. I'm trying to tell you. All right. And finally, go watch some other videos. If you need some help on some protein items, I got you covered. I'm trying to tell you, I can get you there. Watch my videos and I'll keep them coming. If you need sweet ideas, I got you. If you need chicken ideas, I got you. Beef, come on now, let's go. I eat it all the time. I'm trying to just show you everything I eat. I'm trying to help you out. And let me know in the comments, what's the hardest part for you? Is it hitting your protein goals? Is it tracking your food? Is it staying consistent? Is it just getting started? What is the toughest part for you? Because that can actually help out others too. They're reading the comments and they know they're not alone. You were not alone. I wasn't alone. I'm here for you as well. Let me know in the comments if you need any help. I'm always here to help out. I'll keep making these videos for you. I'll keep showing you how to hit your protein goals. Now it's on you to go determine where you are and where you need to be, because guess what? You're gonna get there. I'll talk to you next time. Let's go.